Marquise and this is AJ, and we're live to you from... Actually, I have no idea where we are. Anyways, today we're going to talk to you about ThermoFlex Plus. So AJ, what makes this stuff so great and why do people love it?
Well, Marquise, ThermoFlex Plus is a very durable polyurethane heat transfer film. It's just a great, well-trusted film in the industry, and you can't go wrong with it.
That's awesome. So where can I use it?
ThermoFlex Plus is going to work on all your cotton, polyester, blends, wool, lycra, anything like that. Just stay away from nylon.
That's a great range of material.
Sure is. ThermoFlex Plus comes with a true matte finish. It's pretty much going to grab onto any of those products and last forever.
No wonder why people love this stuff. Does it come in many colors?
Yeah, our most popular width of 15-inch comes in over 60 different colors. We also offer it in 20-inch and 30-inch wide as well.
That's a lot of options. What about layering? I love to layer.
Yes, layering. ThermoFlex Plus layers fantastically. As long as you follow the application's instructions for that, you should have no problems.
Awesome. Well, you have it, folks. That's ThermoFlex Plus. You can purchase this at heattransferwarehouse.com.